Okay, so let's talk about meetings. That big time sink in the workday.
Right. Endless meetings.
Exactly. And today we're diving into Otter AI. It's this tool loads of people are using, claims it gives you back hours by, handling the note taking.
Hmm.
Our mission, pretty simple. Figure out how Otter really turns those conversations into something, well, useful and searchable, and pinpoint the bits you really need to know.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, think of Otter as your instant shortcut. Getting started is easy. You can sign up with Google, Microsoft, whatever, and think you're in. First thing it wants you to do, transcribe something. Just drag and drop an audio file. Super simple.
Okay, so you can upload recordings, but what about live meetings? How does it plug into the workflow there?
Right, that's where it gets really efficient.
Yeah.
You can import files. Yeah, unlimited on the business plan, I think. But the slick part is pasting a meeting URL.
Uh,
Zoom, Teams, Google Meet.
oh, okay, so you give it the link.
And Otter just pops on the call. Like another participant, almost.
Huh. Does it announce itself?
Well, yeah, it shows up as an Otter participant, so it's transparent. And this is handled by the Otter Pilot feature. That's the automation piece. It basically becomes your silent note taker.
So no more who's taking minutes.
Exactly. It grabs the minutes of meeting,
Okay.
the MOMs, automatically, and then it puts all your meetings together in one dashboard. Pretty neat.
Okay, that integration sounds key. But the real buzz seems to be around the AI, the post-meeting stuff.
Oh, yeah, that's where it gets really interesting.
So after the meeting, you've got the transcript. What then? I heard about an AI chat.
Yep. Otter AI chat. It's like having ChatGPT, but just for that meeting's content. Plus, it can grab screenshots you referenced during the call. Adds visual context right there in the transcript.
Okay, hold on. Chat with the transcript. How does that actually, help you understand what happened? Does it just search?
It's smarter than just search. It suggests questions first, things like summarize the key points or what decisions were made.
Hmm?
Or you can type your own. Maybe, how do I actually use Otter, if that came up?
And it answers based only on that meeting's text.
Exactly. Uses the transcript as its knowledge base. It can also generate summaries, uses templates, or you can make custom ones.
And if the summary isn't quite right,
Just hit regenerate. Tell it to try again, maybe focus on something else.
that's powerful. But I mean, accuracy hinges on knowing who said what, right? Does it handle speakers well?
Good point. Speaker management is crucial. Initially, it might need help, like speaker 1, speaker 2, but you can tag them, this is Jane, this is Mark, and it learns. So next time Jane talks, it knows.
Ah, okay. And you can highlight bits too.
Yeah, highlight important sections. And, crucially, that highlighted text links directly back to that exact moment in the audio so you can hear the original tone.
Nice. Okay, so that covers virtual meetings. What about, face-to-face, in-person chats?
You can use the mobile app or just record through your laptop's browser. Works fine. But, and this is super important, you have to tell the other person legally, ethically, hey, just letting you know I'm recording and transcribing this.
Right, consent is key. Makes sense. Well, let's talk costs quickly. Is it aimed at individuals or teams?
It feels very team-oriented. You can pay monthly. It's about, what, $17?
Right.
But the yearly plan brings it way down,
Mm-hmm.
averages out to like $8, something like $8.33 per user per month. And the structure is built for teams, kind of like Slack channels or shared folders. It helps the AI learn across multiple conversations within a team.
So the AI chat could potentially pull info from past meetings too?
Potentially, yeah, within that shared workspace, it builds context.
Okay, so wrapping up the core idea, what's
Yeah.
the big takeaway here?
Fundamentally, it automates the drudgery, the note-taking, the transcribing, remembering who said what. It frees you up during the meeting to actually think, to contribute strategically, knowing the record-keeping is handled.
Right, so we've seen it transcribes easily, integrates with Zoom, Teams, Meet via Autopilot,
Yep.
and then analyzes everything with that built-in AI chat. It's definitely a shift. AI isn't just capturing data anymore, it's organizing it, summarizing it, making it instantly usable. Game changer for productivity, really. Absolutely. So here's a thought to leave you with. If the AI can instantly summarize and answer questions about the meeting after it ends, what skills do we need to sharpen to make sure we're asking the truly insightful questions during the meeting itself? Something to think about.